you are young. They fear you because you are the future.
It all simple. I say what I like. Steve Biko wrote what he like. I am Squeakom. I will say whatever I like. Yo, guys, I've never been so excited. My mind is blown away. Just few hours when I was speaking about Lasizwe, that he has reached the target of 1 million rand, raising in order to assist students who are facing financial constraints in university. As we all know that currently universities of South Africa are shut down. Students are protesting because they don't have money to pay their debts. And Lasizwe came to the fore and said, I'm willing to assist students. What is the remarkable way that we can use to assist these students? Just a few hours when I was speaking about him, check that video above. I was saying he has reached the target of 1 million within a week. And then boom, Standard Bank just donated whole 1 million rand. Standard Bank donated 1 million rand. Wow, this is incredible, and it will change lives of black people and students at large. So I will repeat my word. If we are united in a common purpose, we are stronger. We can do exceptional anything, literally. We can do everything as long as we are united with a common goal. We have power, so that if we can apply this power, again, we can achieve so much if we apply this approach to work together as community, government, private sector. Each and every individual play a part, lend a hand, in uplifting one another. We can do exceptionally everything and everything. So this is the spirit. So please, if you have means, please donate. Check the video above, or also go to Twitter page or handle of Lasizwe. You will see the banking detail. Donate as much as you can. The minimum amount is 10 rand. It's 10 rand. Please contribute. That 10 rand will play a significant role in ensuring that black child are not varsity dropped out. So we thank so much South Africa. I thank you all. I thank every corporate, private sector, Standard Bank, KFC, Pick n Pay, everyone. I thank every individual, Andile, Pisane, and every single person. And lastly, but not least, Lasizwe, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, boy. Thank you so much.